Codesignal, Arcade, Exploring the Waters, Alternating Sums. Hello everyone, I'll be solving alternating sums, so let's begin. Several people are standing in a row, need to be divided into teams. Okay, so in general, so first person goes to team 1, second team goes to team 2, and it alternates until all people in each of the teams are done. And you're given a row of positive integers, and you want to return an array of two integers where the first element is the weight of team 1 and the second element is the weight of team 2. So if you look at the example, 50 go to team 1, 60 go to team 2, 60 go to team 1, 45 will go to team 2, and 70 go to team 1. If you sum them up for the teams that they've been assigned to, you get 180, 105. I'll include the problem in the description below, but let's just solve this to begin. So it's quite explanatory. Create the answer int array. It was size of 2, guaranteed. All right, assign peeps, assign first person to team 1. So in other words, add weight to int first position. Assign next person to team 2. Add weight to int 1. And repeat until all teams are ready, until everyone's assigned. And you return the answer. So this is quite simple. I'll just do this right now. New int 0, 0. So I'll initialize it with zeros because right now it's empty. But we'll start assigning people from the array. Now, and we need to flag. So we know like every time it switches, we want to flag that we have to switch to the other team. So just create a Boolean turns equals true. Now if turns, then we assign it to first team and we just add the weight of the person. Instead of people, call it person because it's singular. Else we assign it to the other team. Now we want to signal that it's time for the other turning team to switch switch the reassignment. So I made this boolean so it could be false every time. It would be opposite of whatever it is in every turn, and return the answer. So we run the tests. I think it should be good. How confident are you in your code? Quite confident indeed. And it works! That's great. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my content. Please like and subscribe. If you have a better solution, please include it in the comments below and I'll pin it to the top so you can prove you are as good as me. Alright, see you guys.